welcome to the channel. This is I'm going to show you how to take the door panel off, the passenger side mirror off, and the passenger side door handle off, exterior door handle. First of all, you have to take this panel off, lever it off with a plastic lever. If you haven't got one, use a screwdriver, but be careful not to damage the car. This pulls out. You've got two clips on it. You've got one clip there and one clip there, which fit in there and there, so you know where to lever. Okay, and also you've got to undo your speaker connection there, your electrical connection. Take that off and then you can put that aside. Then you've got three screws, three torque screws, which are T30. You've got one there. This is holding your exterior mirror on, your door mirror. One there, and one above it. So you've got one to the right, one to the left, about the same height, and then one above it. So that's the three screws. Undo those and your mirror's ready to come off. But then you need to take the door panel off to undo your wiring to your electric mirror. So remove your door panel. At the end of this top part of the trim, you have a little cover, plastic cover that clips in there. You just get a small lever behind it and lever that out, and you've got one clip which is there, which holds it in. When you pull that cover out, put that aside, and in there you've got a T30 torque screw which fits in there. You undo that, take that out. That's your torque screw out. And underneath here, you have two T30 torque screws again, or torque bolts. That one fits in there and the other one fits in there. Undo those two, and then your door panel is just held on with clips after that. So you've got three screws, one there and two under your pull, your grab pull, door pull there. Okay, then these are clips all down the sides, along the bottom, up that side and along the top. You pull the door panel out, you lever it out from the top. A lot of door panels you lift out from the bottom, then you push them up, but on this you don't. You pull them out, and you pull them out all the way along, so the door panel actually pulls off, like so. Those are the clips at the top. If you try and push the door panel upwards to clear these clips coming out from the top, then you're very likely to break these stabilising plastic studs here. They'll break off. So the door panel must come outwards. Then, at the back of the door panel, you can unclip your door handle, which literally just turn it that way and it unclips. You unclip your electrical connector from there, a little lever there, just unclip that, pull it out, and your door panel will then come off. Put the door panel aside. Now to get your mirror off completely, is you undo this connection here, pull that out, and then that will thread through. Once you've undone the three bolts or screws, that will thread through, and then you can take your door mirror off completely and replace it without a problem. That also comes out of there. It's on with a little cable tie that you can cut and then replace afterwards. So that comes off. Next, if you want to get behind this panel here, which is a metal panel, it has, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 torque screws, again 30 T30 torque screws. You take that off, you can get at your window runners, whatever's behind the panel that you want to get at. That's obviously your window winder motor, and your module, door module, the speaker, you can take out if you want to replace whatever. And that is basically the inside of the door, whatever you want to get off of there. Now I'll show you how to get the exterior door lock out, which you pull this door seal back and you'll see a little plastic cover there.
and there's a hole behind it, and they get a T25 torque driver into there and feel around at an angle until you feel it slot into the head. There's a nut there, there's a screw, and you'll feel it slot in, and what you do is you undo it, loosen it off, but don't take it out, don't allow it to come out, because otherwise it'll be hard to get back in, and also it'll drop down inside your door, and then you've got to definitely got to take this panel out to get at it. So you loosen it off. This part of your door handle, you leave it out, it pulls out. Okay, that's the first bit of your door handle. You pull that out. That's where the screw that you're unscrewing with this torque driver fits in and secures that. That's all that holds that bit in. So you pull that out, and then your door handle, you literally go backwards towards the back of the door, lift it out, then turn it completely round carefully, like so, and then that slots out, literally, and that's all that holds your door handle with the lever inside the door. So you literally don't have to take your panel off or anything. It's all done really exterior, just one screw holds it in, and that's it. Thank you for watching.